Good morning, friends. I am
morning.
Sudhir. I am from VCC. Today, my presentation is on the topic corruption is the way of life in India. If India is economically good, then we can't ask this question to ourselves. Let us see what is the relationship between economic growth and corruption. See here, corruption can be understood by the formula corruption is inversely proportional to the economy. That means if the corruption rate is increases, then automatically the economical status of any country decreases. This is what the relationship between economic status and corruption. Before answering to the above question, let us see what is corruption and let me introduce some causes of corruption. Corruption is a form of unethical conduct by a person of authority often to acquire more personal benefit. Causes of corruption: low pay wages. Most of the government employees are paid low pay wages, so hence they revert to go for corruption mode for getting more financial benefit and low job opportunities. In India, most of the people didn't get job at will, so they want to go for corruption mode for getting job at the spot time, and lack of unity in public. In public openly criticizes the corruption, but interestingly, there is no unity among the public for stopping corruption. Because if one wants to work, he done it with corruption mode. But later he criticizes the same corrupt official. This is what the nonsense done by the public in the areas. Lack of immediate punishments. Western countries are developing very fastly and eagerly because there are very strict and fast punishments, but in India there is no such rules and regulations, no accountability. In government sectors, the employees are not at all supposed to perform their par excellence. That means, if they want to clear 100 files in a week, they may not clear even 50 files in a week. This is what the corruption increases by the government officials. As increase in blackmail, all you know that blackmail in India is very more. So, from all the causes, we can clearly mention the answer to the above question is to corrupt. To corrupt is the best way chosen by the people in India for achieving their goals and different aspects in any manner. But besides doing the corruption, they don't think what are the efforts of corruption to India and what it leads to India to their position. See, these are the efforts of corruption: lack of quality in service, poor health and hygiene, lack of proper justice, unemployment, decrease in forest investment, delay in growth. But the big effect caused by the corruption is blackmail. Most of the higher officials in India are paying lot of huge amounts in Swiss francs and they converted into black money. By the records, the total amount of black money is $16.4 trillion. That means 16.4 into 10 power 12 US dollars. That means 1.148 into 10 power 15 rupees. If that amount is distributed to each member of each family, each one can receive 7,65 rupees and 333 rupees. That is such amount is present in Swiss francs. So finally, hereby conclude that stopping corruption is the main and be responsibility of society. Thank you.
Queries.
Any queries?
One or two.
Any questions?
As a students, we can stop corruption.
No. As long as we grown up, we are be responsible to our society is the main aim to our students. That is what it is.
We have to start first. That's right. Thank you.
Hey, Sudhir, wait there.
You are saying that in India all the government officers are corrupted. Most of the animals, not at all.
You said that all the government cases are.
Your answer.
All are most